Lagos County. Let's go. I don't travel round and round, no. For your magazine. Nine, just any kakuku. Originally propose and miss. It's a miss. Originally propose and miss. It's a miss. Originally propose and miss. Oh yeah, baby, down.
Awalani everywhere. Everywhere in every city. Making money every day. Load the bed and load the teeth.
Don't do. Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, at the late night show. Yeah, thank you. IzyBeat, thank God you don't collect the accolade today. On the good day, IzyBeat gonna do like this. So your name now, late night show. But what's that first song where you play just now?
Which one?
The Zambezi.
Zambezi, now Brown Sugar.
Brown Sugar, yeah. Man, beautiful song. They sound like hey Yimba, hey Yimba. They bring out the locality.
The song don't tell.
You don't tell? Ah, what is Zambezi? Plan again.
You don't come.
All right, ladies, I met to jail. We welcome everybody to come to the late night show today. And I'm still on top of the Wazobia TV thingy. All right, we hope all of them they go very, very slow fake. And either way, we will here to make sure we end the night very, very well for all of you now. Today on top of the show, we get some correct making sense people who will join us on top of the show. We get Walexi and go follow us day here. We also get MC Danny B. And of course, Tiwa Savage. Go down top of the show for today. What's going on? Woo! My darling, oh my darling, oh baby you too much, yo. This is my flex. I don't know if you do this flex again. When I young.
I beg, don't do.
Who wanna the catch? All right, and then after this one, we'll enter the Coco for the day, all right? So when I don't go anywhere, the late night show don't start, and with your boy Ogbolor, all right? Jam us on top Twitter at W Late Night Show, and for them, go follow all of them relate, all right? So when I don't go anywhere, they come back. IzyBeat, take us out, and we'll be right back.